ignorance we have to write.
Mataji just recorded it.
Mataji? Mataji, what are we supposed to do for austerity?
Yes.
Mataji, what do we have
So
to do?
everybody, if all of you, yes, if all of you just 2 minutes calm down, I can show you what to do. Okay.
We do for austerity of
Okay.
peace in mind.
Look here, everybody. Okay, so mode of goodness for the pleasure of Supreme Lord. Wait, I'm talking. 1 minute, wait. So for the pleasure of Supreme Lord, mode of goodness. The passion is pride, getting respect and honor. And here, the third one is Hiranyakashipu one. So the why he is doing penance? Out of foolishness to destroy and to torture others and himself.
Can you repeat that, Mataji? Only the one for ignorance? You're muted.
Yes.
Here's the code.
Mataji, what do we do for austerity?
So that's what I showed, austerity. First one, mode of goodness is pleasure of the Lord. Second one,
charity.
pride, getting respect and honor. And third one is torture. No background noises, please. So third one is torture others, destroy others, and out of foolishness. Okay. Where's the money, Garima? Can you stick the money here?
Danny, we're doing charity. Let's stick the charity.
Okay, now we're going to go to charity. So I have this printouts of dollar bills.
Danny, should I do that?
Okay. So you all see the dollar bills, right? I'm going to stick it in all three areas. That's it. That's a lot. That's it.
It's actually fun.
I'm gonna draw some money. Pleasure of God and then passion. Mataji, what is passion? Austerity? Mataji, you're on mute.
Okay, somebody's parents is talking in the background. I humbly request.
Mataji?
Yes, thank you. So, give me 1 minute, beta, Krishna. So, here, do you all see the money? Do you all see the money bills, right? All in the end, right? So, what are we going to write? Mode of goodness, passion, and ignorance. Charity. So, charity given at a proper time, place, without expectation, out of duty is in mode of goodness. So, I'm going to write down proper time without expecting anything. The goodness, I'm sorry, passion, we're going to write expecting some return and giving charity with a grudging mood, right? Grudging. Why did I give it? Who told me to give it? Why should I have given the charity? And the ignorance is improper place, improper time, wrong person, like gambling or intoxicant person. If we give charity, that is in mode of ignorance, right? So I'm going to write it, and then writing part may be hard for the younger kids, and then they can leave that part. And then younger kids can look at the picture in WhatsApp, and then they can write with their parents, okay? So let me just write down and I'll show you. Yes.
Mataji, pride, honor for oneself. Mataji, pride and honor for oneself. What is next in passion, austerity?
Yeah, pride, getting respect and honor. That's all.
Mataji, can we decorate now?
Huh?
After we're done, can we decorate?
Yes, yes. If you have any decorating items, anything, ribbons, gems and pom-poms and everything.
Mataji, is it fine if we draw like a dollar bill and then example.
Mataji, we have these gems.
Yes, please decorate your craft, okay?
And also send it in the WhatsApp group, right, Mataji?
Yes, you can send your pictures. So I'm going to write down and send you a picture.
Body speech.
No, we're going to skip that
Oh, okay.
because then it becomes too big. We're going to skip it.
Okay, Mataji. So I put.
Can I have a proper pen or a marker, Garima?
I gave you that. Where did that go? Yeah.
It's not working, beta.
What? Can you see? Is it working? It's working. Try gambling, Mama.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I have written here, right? What I talked about, proper time, place, without expecting anything. Here, yes, that's what I'm telling Harini in charity. That's what I'm telling right now. In mode of goodness in charity, proper time, proper place, and without expecting anything in return. In mode of passion, expecting something in return, and also with a grudging mood. Give me 1 minute, I'm coming. Where am I taking? And mode of ignorance is improper place, improper time, unworthy person, like gambling, right? Okay, so that's the charity. We're going to skip body, mind, and speech. If you have, I'll write down and send a picture. If you have little extra time, you can write down later how the body, mind, and speech supposed to be. Garima, where's the black marker, beta?
Mataji,
Yes.
fine for charity if we draw like a person giving money to the temple.
Yes, that is in mode of goodness. No, but again, but it depends what mood he is giving, right? Suppose he is giving money to the temple, but he's still grudging mood, right? Oh, I have no choice but to give. Why am I giving? He's thinking like that. Then even though he's giving to temple, but the charity becomes in mode of passion. It's not goodness, right? If I give charity to temple and I think, oh, everybody must praise me, everybody will announce my name. Champaklata Mataji donated $1,000 to the temple. So that becomes mode of passion, right? There's no more mode of goodness. Just because somebody is giving money to the temple is not mode of goodness, right?
Out.
It depends what mood he's giving with.
Out.
Okay, so here we end our project. I'm going to send you all this picture in the WhatsApp. Okay, my handwriting should be able to understand, but if not, you can text me and I can explain you what to write. And if anybody has any doubt, please feel free to ask me on the WhatsApp, my personal message. You all can use your parents' phone and you can text me. And then we're going to end the class here and I'll send you the picture, okay? And I'll see you all tomorrow with the chapter 13. All right? Thank
Bye,
you.
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.